Today we're learning what the Specialty Services Division at Marine Part Source offers all year round.
We try to go above and beyond for our customers. So what that looks like typically is we do the one-on-one consultation where we sit down with them. We want to know what their expectations are. What do you want to see? And a lot of the times that turns into almost a full restoration of the boat. So we've had a few jobs where, the customer wasn't happy necessarily with the dash layout or this or that on the boat, where we go through and strip the boat down pretty much completely, reglass a lot of things. So, when you're doing a repower, you have new instrumentation, controls, things of that nature that aren't going to fit in the same holes that were on the dash as the old equipment. So a lot of shops will go through and make kind of plates or bezels and make it look all right, where we'll go through and we'll basically strip the dash down, re-fiberglass everything. We work with a company that does paint match, so we send them basically a sample of the paint, and then we get the paint and we have our own spray booth. So we go through and paint the whole dash to match the boat, and then we're starting from scratch at that point, like it was from the factory. So then we'll go through and cut holes and do it to where it looked like that job actually came from the factory. We do these high-end, larger jobs, but at the same time, we are an authorized Suzuki dealer, Volvo Penta, Crusader, and Pleasure Craft. So when it comes to those engines and you need, just regular maintenance or upkeep on them or the winterization, we would be your guys for it. So, we do have a winterization special, so it's $150. Pretty much if you've got outboard, stern drive, inboard, if it falls under that engine group family that I listed, $150 and we'll do the winterization, which includes freeze protection where we flush the engine and drive with antifreeze, and then we also do a special fuel treatment to help preserve the fuel during the winter time when it's just sitting there, and it also helps preserve the engine as well so the corrosion doesn't build up from just fuel sitting there. So that kind of covers the major winterization points there. The importance of maintenance is if you want your boat to live a long time, you got to keep up on it, so oil changes, gear lube changes. It's kind of like going to the doctor for a person, you got to get your checkup, make sure everything's running hunky-dory, it's being proactive in the maintenance. Hopefully here in the next couple months, we'll be able to offer financing options for Suzuki repowers. We really want to make sure what we're giving the customer is what they want, and we want to send them out of here, above and beyond excited and happy with the product that we produce.
For all of your specialty services, you can contact them or visit their location at 145 Reynolds Street in Port Huron. For Thumbcoast TV, I'm Kaylin Williams.